Mm. You guys loved my blueberry cobbler video so much, so I decided to make some peach cobbler. This came straight out of my oven. Yes, I came out to my car to eat it because I know that if I dig into this in front of my family, they're going to want me to share, which I will. I made a separate batch for them, but this one, she's mine. Or should I say she's ours? Don't worry, I did not forget the vanilla ice cream. Let's see how it tastes. Steaming. Mmm. So good. Mmm. I can't stop eating it. It's like got a crumbly, biscuity top, but an ooey gooey peach bottom and the cold, creamy ice cream. This is so good. I love big bites. I don't know which one's better, this or the blueberry cobbler. They're both so good. Last bite. I think I need to go take a nap.